Do you want to know how to play Surviving Mars on your phone or tablet? It's now so hard. Both your devices must be connected to internet. The better internet connection you have, the better performance you will have. Step 1. Open App Store or Google Play and install Road Client application. Step 2. Enable remote desktop connection on your PC with Surviving Mars installed on it. Step 3. Forward port 3389 to your PC on your router. Step 5. Open Road Client app and connect to your PC using IP address or host name, it depends on your configuration. And play the game. That's it, what it's need to play Surviving Mars on your phone.